In this tutorial, we will learn how to map a lookup context to a dataset. To map a lookup context, click on the Mapping tab. The Mapping tab displays all such datasets that have been mapped to one or more contexts. Just as in the case of string contexts, you can click on Create Mapping to associate a dataset to a lookup context. You can also edit an already mapped dataset to create new mappings or edit existing ones. In this tutorial, we will use an already mapped dataset to demonstrate how new dataset fields can be mapped to contexts. Click on the Edit icon on the top right corner of the dataset card to start associating this dataset with new contexts or for editing existing mappings. This will open the Create Mappings window. To associate a new field of this dataset to a context, click on the Create Mapping button. Select the relevant field from the column dropdown and the lookup context from the context dropdown. Click on Save to save the mapping. The lookup context can now be used in place of the dataset field while using the dataset. Depending upon how the lookup context is used, at runtime, the value of the dataset field will be mapped to context values.